here is from Honcho Baby, a set of 2 swaddle blankets. Let's quickly open this. So it comes in 4 cute pieces combo pack. It includes 1 milestone card, 1 head wrap, 1 reusable white cloth, 1 swaddle blanket which is made up of 100% organic cotton and GOTS certified. It can be used in multiple ways like nursing cover, burp cloth, blanket and for wrapping. Perfect for newborn photo shoots. Do check their page for amazing cute print swaddle cloths. Definitely you're gonna love this. Thank you.